Hi, this is Dr. Alemi, and let me see if I can help you with the problem 20 in chapter 2. Here we want to calculate the probability of a blue-eye male or female. So notice that the question is about male or female, not and. So or is always the bigger space in the Venn diagram. And this is the data that the problem set has given. So by dividing the frequencies by the total number of patients, we calculate probabilities. Essentially, we are dividing the number of observing any joint event by the total number of possible patients, and therefore we see that for example, having both man and woman having blue eyes is 0.3824. The next step is to use these numbers to calculate the probability of either or man or woman having blue eyes, so that we need three sets of numbers. We need the probability of a blue eye female, which is 0.5294. We need the blue eye men, which is 0.5588, and we need the joint. So that's how we calculate the probability of blue eye male or female, by adding the blue eye probability of blue eye females to blue eye men and subtracting the probability of both of them being blue eyes. The next question is asked about conditional probability, given that the man is a blue eye. To calculate conditional probabilities, we reduce the sample space to situations where the condition has been met. We do so by dividing by the row total. So in this example, it's saying that the men were blue eyes. Among men who were blue eyes, how many of them, what percent of them were seen by women who had blue eyes? And to answer that question, we divide the entire row of men having blue eyes by 1. This is reducing the sample space to the situation where the condition has been met, and this condition in this situation is that men have blue eyes. So now we can read that the probability of blue eye female, given that we have a blue eye male, is 0.6842. The same question now, condition being brown eye male, that probability can also be calculated in the same fashion by dividing the row by the condition that has been met. So we have the probability of blue eye female, given that we have a brown eye male, and that is 0.3519.